Hey there, fellow builders, manufacturers, and industry pros. If you're after speed, precision, and reliability for your steel framing projects, you've landed on the right video. Today, we're breaking down the game changer, the high-speed 𝐂𝐫𝐤𝐺 Purlin roll forming machine. Let's dive in. First, let's keep it simple. A 𝐂𝐫𝐤𝐺 Purlin roll forming machine transforms raw steel coils into high-strength 𝐂𝐫𝐤-shaped purlins, those critical structural components that support roofs, walls, and floors in industrial buildings, warehouses, and commercial projects. But this isn't just any machine. The high-speed label means it cranks out finished purlins faster than traditional models, cutting your production time and boosting output. The high-quality roll form parts. It all starts with top-tier core components. Let's break it down. First, the feeder and guider, adjustable, bearing-equipped design, ensures smooth, king-free material flow and precise alignment from start to finish. Then the Gearbox transmission system delivers powerful, slip-free power for thick materials and high speeds, guaranteeing stable production and tight tolerances. Our high-quality roll forming stands offer rock-solid support, eliminating vibration for uniform shaping. Paired with CR12 forming rollers, wear-resistant, tough alloy steel that's 3x more durable than standard tools. They craft perfect profiles, batch after batch. Finally, the straightener corrects camber, bow, and twist, removing coil set to leave parts perfectly straight. Every component works in sync for efficiency, precision, and long-lasting performance. The Auto Stacker, the ultimate time saver. It automatically receives finished purlins, stacks them neatly and precisely, cutting manual labor. No scratches, no mess, just fast, consistent stacking that ramps up your output. Perfect for seamless, efficient workflow. Elevate your line today. This high-config, high-speed 𝐂𝐫𝐤𝐺 Purlin machine is your production game changer. Blazing speed means top-tier components, delivering precision, efficiency, and minimal downtime. Invest smart, boost output, and dominate your projects with reliability you can count on. Want me to alleviate the urgency or emphasize cost-saving angles instead? I can tweak it in seconds. Choose Beli Roll, forming your trusted roll-forming machine manufacturer and exporter. We deliver top-quality, custom machines globally, with reliable support and on-time shipping. For durable, high-performance equipment partner with Beli today. Need to highlight specific markets, machine types, or competitive edges? Let me adjust it quickly.